Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Sorry, dear students, because
Now,
of
good evening, ma'am.
some technical issue happened. That's why I came late. Okay. How are you all? Alan, Sajeev?
Fine.
Alan, hello. Subramanian, how are you? Christo, Rudra, Nikhila, Asin. How are you all? Hello.
Hi, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, shall we start our class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, last day we studied two formulae, isn't it? I asked you to write. Did you write and study? I asked you to write and study. You did that?
Yes,
Salin, you did that?
I was not there, ma'am.
Jeff, you did that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay, Asin, what about you? Did you write that? Okay, so I will ask Rudra. Can you hear me, Rudra? What is the sum of exterior angle of any polygon? What is the sum of exterior angle of any polygon? Rudra, tell me.
Sum of
Exterior angle of
measure.
any. No, my question is sum of exterior angle of any polygon is how much?
Measure of one exterior angle of a regular polygon is equal to 360 by divided by number of sides.
But my question is not that. You told the formula that I have given last day, but my question is not that. My question is, what is the sum of exterior angles of any polygon? For any polygon, what is the sum of exterior angles? That is my question. Saiba? Saiba, what is the sum of exterior angles of any polygon? Nikhila Mary?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the sum of exterior angles of any polygon? For any polygon, what is the sum of exterior angles?
360 degree.
360 degree. Rudra, you just see your notebook. We have written the last day.
Ma'am, I told that second time, ma'am.
Okay. Sorry, I didn't hear, dear. Okay. Okay. Good. Okay. Now we are moving to the two formulae that we have studied last day. That was the thing, Rudra, you told. Okay. Okay, 1 second. I will show you. Okay. Last day we studied two formulae. First one is Rudra. Okay, Rudra. The same thing you told before. First one is measure of
one exterior
Rudra,
angle
tell me.
of a
Ah,
measure of one
ah.
exterior angle of a regular polygon is equal to 360 by
Measure
number of
one
sides
exterior angle
of a regular polygon
of
of a
regular polygon
polygon is equal to 3
is equal to
is
360
degree
divided by number
by
of sides.
number of
All of you write this
sides.
once again. Number of sides. Write all of you. After that we have to start doing problems. Measure of one exterior angle of a regular polygon is equal to 360 divided by number of sides. Write once.
Not seeing, ma'am.
We can't see, ma'am.
We
See?
can't see anything, ma'am.
Ma'am, we cannot
Launch
see.
is disconnected.
Okay. Once again I will do. Can you see now?
Yes.
Yes.
Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Jeff?
Yes.
Rudra?
Yes,
Can you
ma'am,
see?
yes.
Okay, right. Okay, right. Measure of one exterior angle of a regular polygon is equal to 360 divided by number of sides. Now write the first question. Find the measure of can you see?
Yes, ma'am, yes.
Find the measure of exterior angle of regular polygon with the sides in that first question number A, 9 sides. Question number B, 15 sides. Question number C, 8 sides. Question number D, 18 sides. All these we will do now. Fine. Did you write the formula? The first formula, did you all write?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now write the question. Find the measure of exterior angle of the regular polygon with the sides 9 sides. 4 questions are there. First one 9 sides, regular polygon with 9 sides, regular polygon with 15 sides, regular polygon with 8 sides, and regular polygon with 18 sides. Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Here, what is given for a regular polygon? Number of sides are given. Okay, we will start with the first one. Number of sides is equal to 9. And we have the formula. Measure of exterior angle equal to, write the formula. Measure of exterior angle is equal to 360 divided by number of sides. That is 360 divided by, what is the number of sides in this question? Number of sides is
9.
9. Number of sides is equal to 9. Fine. But how much this 360 divided by number of sides? Here the question, we have to find the measure of exterior angle.
9.
We have to find the measure of exterior angle. For getting exterior
40.
angle, We have to divide 360 by number of sides equal to 40 degrees. Since it is angle, unit is degree, 40 degree. Measure of exterior angle is equal to 40 degree. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Anandita, you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now second question. Second question, how many sides?
15 sides.
Second question we have 15. Question number B. Question number B we have question number B, we have 15 sides. So same steps. You start writing 15 sides. So what we will write the formula first. Formula first, measure of exterior angle equal to measure of exterior angle is equal to 360 degree by number of sides. Here, what is the number of sides? Here, what is the number of sides? 15.
15.
Okay, find how much it is. 360 divided by 15 is?
24 degree.
All of you find. Balkis?
24 degree.
Balkis? How much you got, Balkis? Vinayak, you got? Vinayak, how much it is? 360 divided by 15. Vinayak, you got?
24 degree.
Hello, Vinayak.
Ma'am, I am doing.
Answer, how much? Do it, do it. Ahan, what was the answer? 360 divided by 15. Ahan and Balkis, tell me what you got. Rudra, what was the answer?
24 degree, ma'am.
Yes, 24 degree. 24 degree, here 40 degree. Ansel, you got 24 degree? So, to get measure of exterior angle, we have to divide 360 by the number of sides. Shall I give one more question?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
no, two more questions are there, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Question number C. Sides are, start doing all of you. Number of sides, how many sides?
8.
8 sides.
8 sides. I will use that. Okay. Question number C. Number of sides. Number of sides equal to 8. 8 sides. So measure of exterior angle. Write the formula always. Exterior angle. You should write the formula always. Then only it should be, you should be thorough with that. Okay. Measure of exterior angle equal to 360 divided by number of sides. That is 360 divided by what? 360 divided by
8.
8. And how much it is? Find. 360 divided by
45 degree.
Correct. Correct. Answer is Agna. How much you got, Agna Maria?
I'm doing only.
Okay, do it. Do it. Good. Alan Sajiv, you got answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Good. Joseph,
Yes, ma'am.
you got answer?
I'm right.
Okay, do. Okay, do it. 360 divided by 8 is equal to?
Ma'am, 45 degree.
Correct it is. 360 divided by 8 equal to 45 degree. One more question is there. How many sides there?
18.
18 sides.
Number of sides. Question number D. Question number D.
20.
Number of sides. Number of sides 18. So measure of exterior angle. (360) divided by number of. Are you writing the formula always?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So 360 divided by number of sides
18.
18 is equal to, it is very simple. 360
20.
divided
20.
by
20
correct.
degree.
Okay, correct. Digla, you got answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 360 divided by 18 is 20 degree. So to get exterior angle of a regular polygon, we have to divide 360 divided by number of sides. Saiba, what is the formula? Exterior angle of a regular polygon equal to?
Measure of an exterior angle of a regular polygon is equal to 360 divided by number of sides.
Correct. Very good. Okay. So we are moving to the next. Okay. So we studied how to find the exterior angle of a regular polygon. The exterior angle, to get the exterior of a regular polygon, we have to divide 360 by what? 360 by the number of sides. 360 divided by the number of sides. Next, we are going to find out the number of sides. If one exterior angle is given, how can we find the number of sides? For that, we have a formula, isn't it? What was that formula, Alia? To get the number of sides. Second formula, last day we studied the second formula. What was that?
Number of sides of regular polygon is equal to 360 divided by measure of one exterior angle.
Correct. So we are going to start problems on that. First of all, we will write the formula. Okay, Saiba, what was the formula? Tell me, Saiba. Number of sides of a regular polygon. Wait, one second. Number of, all of you write the formula. Number of, Saiba, number of sides of a regular polygon is equal to 360
divided by measure of exterior angle.
Measure of one exterior angle. Measure of one exterior angle. All of you write. Number of sides of a regular polygon is equal to 360 divided by measure of one exterior angle. So we will start with a question. Question number 1. Find the number of sides of a regular polygon. Find the number of sides of a regular polygon with its exterior angle exterior angle with its exterior angle. Question number A. Exterior angle 24 degree. First one is 24 degree. One of the exterior angle is 24 degree. Second one is 45 degree. Question number C is 24, 45 and 20 degree. 20 and question number D is 60 degree. 60, no, not 60. Exterior angle is 120. Question number D is question number D is 120 degree. Shall we start the question? So what is which formula we are using here?
60 divided by measure of one exterior angle.
Yes, 360 divided by measure of one exterior angle. 360 divided by measure of one exterior angle. We have to find number of sides. Okay, we will start doing first one. First one, number of measure of angle is 24 degree. Number of sides, write the formula. Number of sides is equal to 360 divided by exterior angle, measure of exterior angle. Measure of exterior angle. So here 360 divided by what is measure of exterior angle? It is 24. Find out. 360 divided by 24.
15.
Yes. Who said this? Who said the answer?
Alan.
Correct. Correct. All of you find out. (360) divided by 24. Anybody else?
15.
Who's this? Say your name then.
Anugrah.
Anugrah. Correct. Correct. Anugrah.
Ma'am, 50.
Okay, who's this?
Jeff.
Jeff. Okay, so 360 divided by 24 is 15 degree. Okay, now we will move to the second question. Exterior measure of exterior angle, how much? Second question, what was the exterior angle?
45 degree.
45 degree.
Second question, exterior angle is 45 degree. So number of sides is equal to exterior 360 divided by
45.
360 divided by exterior angle. Write the formula always. I am writing on the board. So you also have to write exterior angle is equal to 360 divided by 45.
From 8 degree.
Yes.
8 degree.
Yes. 360 divided by 45 is equal to? Salin, you got answer?
Ma'am, 8 degree.
Okay, Andrin and Sachin, switch on your video. Equal to 8 degree, correct. Okay, then question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3. Exterior angle. What was exterior angle?
20.
Okay. Exterior angle is 20 degree. Number of sides is equal to 360 divided by exterior angle. 360 divided by exterior angle equal to 360 divided by 20, and it is equal to
18.
18. Correct.
18 degree.
18 degree. Correct. Correct. Very good. 18 degree. One more question, isn't it? Huh? One more question is there, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Question number D. Question number D. Exterior angle, how much?
60 degree.
Okay. Exterior angle. Without doing, anybody can say which will be that shape or how many sides? Without doing the problem, can you say how many sides will be there and what was the shape? 6. Okay, no problem. Exterior angle. Exterior angle.
Sides.
How much I gave the question? How exterior angle is?
120 degree.
120. Okay,
120 degree.
Okay. That's not like 20. Okay. Exterior angle is 1 second. Exterior angle is 120 degree. So number of sides. Anybody got answer?
Ma'am,
3 degree.
60 degree and
6.
okay. Number of sides 6 equal to
6.
6. So
3.
3. It is 3.
3.
So listen, sorry, all of you. Once, sorry, in our answers it is not degree. Oh, sorry, we are finding the number of sides. Listen, all of you. So it is, sorry, dears. Sorry. It is, you have to correct it. It is what? 18.
Sides.
18 sides. It is sides. Correct it in all the question. Second type is sides. 8 sides. Right, not degree. 18 sides, 8 sides. The second question also correct in all the 4 questions. Correct it. Here we got 3 sides. It is 3 sides. Correct it.
Corrected.
Okay. Did you all correct it?
Yes, ma'am.
Putra, did you correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Corrected, Anugrah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First question we found angle. So it is degree. Second type we found number of sides. So it is sides, not degree. Okay, sorry. By mistake I wrote degree. Okay. All of you corrected?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Good.
yes.
Okay, good. Correct it. Why not? Don't say that. Correct it. Here also, it not 15 degree, it is 15 sides. Number of sides we are finding now. So 15 sides. Correct it, all of you. 15 sides. Ahan, did you correct? 15 sides. This 15 sides, not degree. Correct it. First answer, 15 sides. And second answer, what, Joseph? What is second answer?
Second answer.
Second answer, 18 sides. Third answer,
18 sides.
Third answer.
18 sides.
18 sides.
Third
18
answer.
sides.
Third.
18 sides.
18 sides.
Second, oh, what was second answer?
8 sides.
8
8
sides.
sides.
8
Okay.
sides.
Fourth answer.
Third side.
3 sides.
3 sides.
3 sides. Okay, good. Okay, good. Now, write next question, all of you. Next question. Instead of exterior angle, interior angles are given. Next question, same type, but there's a twist. Instead of exterior angle, interior angle is given. So first we have to find the exterior angle, then we will find number of sides. Okay. Question, find the number of sides. But instead of exterior angle, interior angles are given. If interior angles are given, we can find exterior angle. How? How can we find exterior angle when we got interior angle? Anybody?
Linear pair.
Ah, yes, Anandita, you are correct. Linear pair. So 180 minus interior angle gives exterior angle. So first find exterior angle, then 360 divided by exterior angle gives us number of sides. Okay, shall we start?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So write the question. Question number 3. Two types we have done, isn't it? So it is question number 3. Question number 3. Write the question. Find the number of sides of a regular polygon. Find the number of sides of a regular polygon. Number of sides of a regular polygon if its interior angle is first one 160 165 degree, B 150 degree, C 135 degree. Write the question. Find the number of sides of a regular polygon if its interior angle is, first question, A, interior angle is how much?
165 degree.
165 degree. So Anandita, so therefore exterior angle is? Anandita? Exterior angle is equal to 180 minus 165. How much it is? 180 minus 165?
15.
Alia, 15, correct. 15 degree. Therefore, number of sides is equal to 360 divided by exterior angle. 360 divided by 15. Fine. 360 divided by 15. Alia, find it.
24.
Correct. 24 sides. Don't write degree. Like last problems, I have made some mistake. So don't make that, don't repeat that mistake. Sorry. So 24 sides. Number of sides is equal to 360 divided by exterior angle. That is equal to 360 divided by 15. So 24 sides. 24 sides. Okay. Now, Now, second question. How much interior angle? Second question I can't see. So anybody tell me.
150 degree.
Okay. So question number B. Interior angle is 150 degree. This is equal to 150 degree. So exterior angle is
180 minus 150.
correct. 150 minus 180 minus 150.
30 degree.
30 degree.
Correct. 30 degree. So number of sides, very good. You are doing fast. Number of sides is equal to 360 divided by what?
30.
360 divided by exterior angle. That is 360 divided by 30.
12.
Correct.
12.
Yes, correct.
12 sides.
Correct. Ansel, you got answer?
12
Nikila?
sides.
Vinayak? Correct, Nikila. Ansel? Vinayak, you got? Do it. 0, 0, we can cancel. Now 36 by 3. 36 by 3, how much?
12 sides.
Correct. 12 sides. Correct. 12 sides. One more question is there, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. 135 degree.
കാണൂല
Wait, 10 minutes.
കാണൂല എന്നെ കാണൂല
Mute it.
കാണൂല
Mute it.
എന്തിനാ
Calling.
കളിക്കാനാ So I can't see the board.
Who's this? Who cannot see the board? Others, can you see the board?
Joseph.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Joseph, maybe because of your network problem, because others can see it. Okay, you check it. Okay, for the
Okay, ma'am.
question number C. Okay, for doing this question, no need to see the board. You can do it, Joseph. Do it. Start doing, Joseph.
Okay, ma'am.
So, question number C. Interior angle is
135.
okay. Interior angle is 135 degree. So exterior angle is 180 minus 135. 180 minus 135 is
45 degree.
45 degree. Correct. Therefore, number of sides is equal to 360 divided by 45 and it is equal to
8.
correct. Who's this? Anugrah?
8 degree, ma'am. 8 sides, sir.
Correct.
Ma'am, 8 sides.
Correct, Saiba. Correct.
Ma'am, 8 sides.
Correct. Very good. Correct. Alia got?
8 sides, sir.
Correct. Sachin? Joseph, can you see now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So I said. So now we are moving to the next topic, kinds of quadrilateral. One exercise is over. Exercise 3.2 is over. Now we are moving to next heading, kinds of quadrilateral. Kinds of quadrilateral. Kinds of, give heading, kinds of quadrilateral. Kinds of quadrilateral. Can you see properly this?
Yes, ma'am.
Kinds of quadrilateral. So, first one is trapezium. First one is trapezium. First one is Trapezium. Trapezium. So, we are going to study more about quadrilaterals. Okay. Trapezium. Trapezium is a quadrilateral and it has a pair of parallel sides. Trapezium is a quadrilateral that has a pair of parallel sides. Trapezium is a quadrilateral. Trapezium is a quadrilateral with a pair of parallel sides. Right? Trapezium is a quadrilateral with a pair of parallel sides. With a pair of parallel sides. Trapezium is a quadrilateral with a Ansel. You wrote? Trapezium. Andrin, switch on your video. Adnan, Sachin, Saiba, I want to see you.
Technical problem.
Okay, no, then okay. Write it. Can you see the board, Sachin?
Yes, ma'am.
So you write. It's okay. Trapezium is a quadrilateral with a pair of parallel sides. Draw a trapezium. A, B, C, D. Here AD and BC are parallel sides. AD and BC are parallel sides.
Ma'am, we have to draw that.
Now draw it. Draw it. Two sides should be parallel. These two sides, AD and BC, are parallel. AD and BC are parallel. Okay. All of you draw?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Second one, kite. Second one is kite. K-I-T-E. Kite.
Ma'am, I
Kite.
can't see the...
Kite is, all of you mute your audio. Mute. Mute the audio, please. Second one, kite. Kite is a quadrilateral with exactly two pairs of equal consecutive sides. Kite is a quadrilateral with exactly two pairs of equal consecutive sides. Right? Anybody knows what is the meaning of consecutive? We have discussed the word before. Consecutive. What is the meaning of consecutive? Anybody? We discussed the same word before.
Numbers.
Anybody? Anybody knows the meaning of consecutive?
Numbers.
Huh?
Numbers.
Tell. Sachin, did you know meaning of consecutive?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
What's that? Consecutive? Huh?
It's called.
Consecutive sides means? Anybody?
Numbers.
Alan? Huh? Joseph? Vinayak? Anybody? What's the meaning of consecutive?
Sides which is common.
Not common. Not that. It's not common. Hmm?
Concept.
Kira? Nikila? Anandita? Meaning of consecutive and Ansel? Balkis? Hmm? Alia? Anybody? Tell me consecutive sides or consecutive vertices. Hmm?
Different sides.
When we define that diagonals the same. What is a diagonal? Diagonal is a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices. We have studied. Diagonal is a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices. So what is the meaning?
Consecutive angles.
No, my question is, what is the meaning of consecutive? Meaning of consecutive. Huh?
The pair of edge.
Not pair of. They consecutive means they lies adjacent, one by one. Adjacent sides. Okay. Okay. So kite is a quadrilateral with exactly two pairs of equal consecutive sides. Here KJ and KL are equal. KJ and KL are equal and they lies adjacently or they are consecutive one by one. Okay. KJ and KL. KJ and KL are consecutive. They lie side by side. Similarly, which are the next pair? Next pair is JM. JM and LM are consecutive. JM and LM are consecutive. They are equal. KJ equal to KL. They are consecutive. And JM equal to LM. JM equal to LM. So kite is a quadrilateral with exactly two pairs of equal consecutive sides. You write? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
properties of kite. Kite has two properties. Write that also. Properties of kite. Properties of kite. Right? Properties of kite. First property is that, what is first property?
The
The diagonal
diagonal
of a kite is perpendicular to one another. The diagonal of a kite is perpendicular to one another. The diagonal of a kite is perpendicular to one another, which means these angles are perpendicular to one another means these these four angles are
adjacent.
ah,
Same angle.
how much they are same. What was their measure? These four angles are, what is this represents?
Vertically opposite angles.
No.
90 degree.
90 degree. They are all equal and equal. 90 degree. They are 90 degree. Second property, one of the diagonal bisect the other. One of the diagonal bisect the other. One of the diagonal bisect the other. Right? It has two property. First property is the diagonal of a kite is perpendicular to one another. Sorry. The diagonal of a kite is perpendicular to one another. and one of the diagonal bisect the other. Okay. 1 second, I will show you. Okay, so first property what, Alia? What was the first property? The diagonals.
Diagonals of a kite is perpendicular.
Each other. Okay, all of you mark these angles as 90 degree. They are perpendicular to each other. So mark those angles are 90 degree. Mark the angles as 90 degree. Angles are 90 degree. Second one, Alan. What is the second property, Alan? Read. Alan. Unmute, then read, Alan.
One of the diagonal.
One of the diagonal. Alan? One of the diagonal. One of the diagonal, Alan, bisect the other, isn't it? Okay,
Yes,
here, Alan, unmute and say, here, which diagonal is bisected? Or what is the meaning of bisecting? Bisecting? Anybody? What do you mean by bisecting?
Half of.
Yes, dividing into two. Make it into half. Who said that?
Anandita, ma'am.
Anandita, correct. Bisecting means making into equal part, two equal part. Making into two equal parts. Here we have two diagonals, KM and JL. Which are the diagonals here? KM and JL. KM and JL. And here one diagonal is dividing into two equal part. Two equal part. Which diagonal is dividing into two equal part?
KM and JL.
Here two diagonals are there. Wait. Here two diagonals are there. In that two diagonals, one diagonal is dividing into two equal parts. Not simply dividing. It is dividing into two equal parts. Which of the diagonal is divided? KM is dividing into two equal parts. So these two are equal. You are saying these two sides are equal. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Are they equal?
Yes, ma'am.
These two sides. From here, this length and this length. Is that equal? These two lengths are equal. You are saying that.
Yes.
Yes,
Is that
ma'am.
correct? Huh?
Yes.
Yes.
No.
Once again.
Yes.
Once again. You are saying KM are dividing into two equal words. That you are saying KM is, 1 second. You are saying, you says that KM is divide, suppose this is O. This point is O. So you are saying that KO equal to OM. Isn't it? KO, by seeing the figure, are you feels that KO equal to OM?
No.
Huh?
No.
By the figure?
No.
No, it's not
No.
equal. KO is not equal to OM.
Yes.
So
Yes,
which
yes,
are
yes.
they equal? Which are equal?
KM equals to
JL.
JL is equal.
JL is dividing into two equal parts. That is, suppose this point B, O, then JO equal to OL. JL is dividing into two equal parts. JL is dividing into equal parts. So you write O here, then write JO equal to OL. JL, diagonal JL is bisected by KM. Here, the line KM is bisected by, no, line KM is bisected JL. Line KM is bisecting JL. So, JO equal to OL. JO equal to OL. Okay. So, you do one thing. Today's we have done 3 types of problems. Today itself you have to write and study. Okay. A very important type of problems. Okay. And next class we will study more about quadrilaterals. Today we studied 2 shapes. Which are they? First one is a
PCM.
trapezium. Okay. Second one, kite. Today you just read the properties of those 2 figures. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye, all of you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, dears. Bye.
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 Joe, bye. Akna, Nikila, Vinayak, Jeff,
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Ira, Balkis,
Bye.
Alia, Asin.
Bye.
Bye. Meet again.